Hey YouTube, welcome to the Shannon and Mary Show. I'm Shannon and this is Mary. Well, today we are out of power, so we are going to Grandma's house because she has power. Why are we out of power, dear? For He-Man. My wife's embarrassed. She doesn't like me film often. I love you. Well, anyways, it's not so bad. We just got a lot of rain and a lot of wind. What's it? Is it raining outside, Mary? A lot? Where are we going? Are we going to Grandma's? Going to Grandma's house?
You see the neighbor's tree down the yard?
No, I didn't.
Right down the line, it's been you and me.
That tree we cut out of our backyard is down in theirs.
And love and music, man, ain't always what it's supposed to be.